I think you're in a global craps game where everybody's talking to each other and they're having a blast. And by the way, you get to go home, the market shuts down, and you get to go to a bar. I understand you go to half of these bars, and the meme stocks are half the conversation. So it's just a lot of it's fun. Now, at every crap table, there 70-80% of the people are having fun and know they're going to lose their money and accept it. And there is somebody who's going to lose their mortgage or try to hitchhike home or lose their college fund. It's sad. I think a lot of the meme stocks are people having fun, and we don't analyze them. It's a social. It's almost what Roblox did, by the way. Not only do you have the creation of gaming online where you can talk to each other, but you have multiple creators. People, Reddit and the boards, people are trying to create the next game. I understand there's a couple of new games starting this morning in the meme stock world. And so you have multiple players and you have multiple creators. I think they're having fun.
Which is so funny too, because we know your son also started a fintech company that focuses around investing and poker as well, though that's the saving side of things. I do want to ask though, because you were so early. In February, you told me that you were worried about leverage in the market. That was before Archegos. So what are you worried about now?
At the end of any cycle, leverage is the thing that usually takes people out. Because leverage makes you make the exact decision you don't want to make at the point, you don't want to make it. And so we run, as a company, we run a debt-free model. We run a pretty cash-heavy model. We have never had a piece of leverage on the firm from the day I started it. We've been through 2 crises, and instead of reeling from those crises, I believe the firm accelerated because our firm is prepared. The model is prepared for acceleration out of the cycle, and we're seeing that in COVID too. I mean, COVID was a disaster for people health-wise, but the business itself is in great shape and accelerating. And I believe that has to do with your whole question, Sonali, about debt. Debt is somebody else's ability to affect your business at the exact moment you want to be left alone, and that's when things surprise you, and you're not ready for it. So it'll happen again. Look, we'll cycle out of this, and it'll happen again.